A Warm Welcome to All by Mrs. Paramjeet Kaur Rajpal. Chapter 1, Principles of Management. Today we are going to study the nature of principles of management. The principles used for management of business organizations are called as principles of management. These principles provide guidelines to managers to take decisions. Management principles are formed to guide and influence the behavior of employees. They focus on improving the overall efficiency of the organizational resources. Now, let us see the nature of principles of management one by one. The first one, universal application. The principles of management are universal in nature. They can be applied to all types of organization irrespective of their size and nature. They can be applied to all levels of management. Their results may vary and application may be modified, but these are suitable for all kinds of organizations. Example, management is required in big companies like Reliance and also in a small bookstore. The next principle comes general guidelines. Management principles provide general guidelines in handling organizational situations and problems. They are not rigid. Which management applies are to be applied depends upon the situation, size and nature of organization. Example, when we say fair remuneration, then the term fair can vary as per the nature, size and financial condition of the organization. The third principle, principles are formed by practice and experiments. The management principles are developed gradually with thorough research work. Systematic observations and experiments are conducted before developing them. The results of such experiments are practiced in organizations and then principles are developed. The fourth principle, flexibility. Management principles are flexible in nature. They can be modified according to the situation. As business situations keep on changing, the principles can be modified and can be used in the organization according to its need. Example, with change in technology, application of management principles changes. Then comes behavioral in nature. Management is a group activity. Management aims at achieving certain goals through group of human beings. Management principles are designed to influence human beings. These principles control a group of persons and direct them to achieve the objectives. Next is cause and effect relationship. Principles of management help to determine the cause or reason for particular effect. Therefore, they are base for taking a decision. Example: payment of good wages and incentives helps in increasing the output of workers, or making effective advertisement increases the sale of a product. The last principle is all principles are of equal importance. All principles of management are considered as equal importance. They have to be practiced simultaneously for complete achievement of predefined goals. If any specific principle is focused more and others are not followed with some focus, then it affects the working of organization. Hope you all have understood and liked the video. Please subscribe, like and comment. Thank you.